फोटो नहीं है.
I should probably get ready because I'm getting pretty late.
What the dog doing?
Newest version is such a biggie. Is such a biggie? This is such a cute ring. I'm gonna wear that. Ready. Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Suprita, and you are watching Click for Soupy. Today is a little different. Today, I am heading out with my bestie on a painting date. But here's the twist. I really wanted to come up here and talk about something that I have been feeling and thinking about a lot lately, which is how to get back your spark. You know, those days where you just feel blah. We are gonna fix that today, and I am going to take you along. So expect a lot of mess, a lot of chaos, a lot of unexpected laughter, and probably one of the best paintings you've ever seen. We'll know. So this is what I'm wearing. This blue peplum top. I don't know what it's called. I guess it's a peplum top. And the most baggiest jeans I have. That is my Goria Bastar. Wait, let me just show you how much I'm carrying with me. This is all I am carrying. I'm carrying my Polaroid camera, a lot of equipment stuff, and a lot of canvases, paints, brushes, a lot of artsy things. Okay, first off, it is totally okay to have a few bad days. And the worst thing you can do to yourself is to beat yourself up for it. Like, even I have had days where a cup of coffee could not fix me. But I think the key here is the tinier things. I think for me, switching it up in small ways really helps me a lot. Like, for example, I really love blasting music and getting ready to it. Something as simple as that can really elevate your mood, if not fix everything. I think that's one of the most beautiful tips ever. Start small. Start with probably putting an eyeliner. The day you see me with an eyeliner, which is more than 3 products of makeup that I use, which is lip balm, mascara, and a loose powder, is the day I'm probably having a very rough day. A little off-camera things I did was put a little wing of a liner, but something as little as an eyeliner does help me a little bit. It does give me that little confidence boost or that little mood fixer that I need for that particular day. So yeah, that's the most beautiful tip I can give you. Start small. And I should probably get ready because I'm getting pretty late. So when I feel stuck sometimes, I feel I really need to get out of my head. And that can only happen if I am moving. Like literally moving. Whether it's walking, whether it's hitting the gym, whether it's dancing on a new music, or something as simple as today's paint date. Something about just doing things which are not in your usual routine can do so much wonder. Like there is so much power in movement. I don't think people realize that. I am wearing these earrings. I don't know if you can see them, but they're so cute. Also, you know, something as little as getting ready, even if you don't feel like it, I 10 on 10 recommend it. Just look at me right now. Like, even if here is buddy sad.
Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't even know where it's going. I just hope I find it along the way, like an improvisation.
She will be a lot less sadder if she's wearing a good outfit. I have this new hand bracelet thing that I bought from Kolaba the other day, and it is so cute. I got this for 200 rupees, which is just, it's a good thing. I think it goes. Okay, I'm gonna wear this in my other hand. And yeah, that's my stack for today. Oh, I had a ring. This is such a cute ring. I'm gonna wear that, and now we are ready. Oh, lipstick. Oh, बहुत ज़्यादा लग गया. And we are done. Oh, perfume. Today I'm using this one. It's by Victoria's Secret and it's named Midnight Bloom. This smells like, I don't know, man. If I ever die, I want you to remember me by this fragrance. Okay, so a little off-camera things I did was put a little wing of a liner and a little bindi because it's matching my black bag. And I'm wearing these blue and black Air Force. It's gonna perfectly match my blue outfit and my black bag. And Sakshi is reaching in 10 minutes, so I have exactly 7 minutes to head down. Otherwise, she's gonna come up here and she's gonna kill me. So yes, let's go.
फोटो नहीं है
पीना है?
बचता क्या है
कॉफी बचता है और क्या बचता है?
कॉफी इज बेटर देन एनी ड्रिंक एवर
So we can have a drink which has coffee in it.
बेलीज
Baileys.
मेरे को बेली से क्या आता है सोच जरा सोच
ये आधा टाइम तो क्या बोलती है ना, ये इसे ही पता है। और मैं बस इसे बेली से क्या याद है?
अलबेला सजन आयोरी
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This is
Work in
art.
progress.
Work in progress. Artist. This is my art. Today is a perfect example why you should try out new things. Like going out in a cafe, painting, vlogging like this in public is not something that I would do usually. But trying out new things is such a mood booster and it's so freaking underrated. Like you don't have to master it all. You just have to have fun with it. Like now that I'm doing this, I already feel so much lighter and yeah, करो ये सब. साक्षी मेरे सामने खड़ी है बंदूक लेके, so that I say this and get done with this so that we can start painting. So I'm gonna go. Approved? So another biggie is the people you hang out with. I feel if you can be around someone who can completely get you, can flip your mood a 360. Especially if you have someone who you can be your truest version with, who you can laugh with, who you can count on, is such a blessing. And I have this spooky with me. Biggest blessing. Okay, so we are finally done with our painting. It has taken million years, but it's finally done. तेरा बता?
It's not that. It's work in progress.
But हो गया, मोटा मोटा हो चुका है. Who and go? Let's go नहीं. Who and go?
नहीं subscribers हो यार, आ जाओ. You can't go.
I told you, you would probably see the best painting.
What the dog doing?
मजा आया कि नहीं?
We should do this often.
I have just reached home and it is 12:39 a.m. right now. I haven't updated in a bit. A lot has happened since I left from Zante. Our rickshaw broke down and I met two of my other friends, and somehow now it's 12:43. This video is a reminder that you can do a lot of little things that will help you bring your spark back again, and I really hope that you and I both keep finding our sparks back again. And you know what would truly help me bring my spark back again is if you hit that subscribe button, you share it with as many people as you can, and please tell me in the comments if there's any suggestions you would like me to do next time. And yeah, that's it. Good night, and I'll see you around.